Good morning, dear students. My name is Farhan Mazher, and today we are studying the subject Cambridge O Levels Mathematics Syllabus D. We call it DMaths 4024. Today we are working on the syllabus and we are working on the topic of discount, taxation, and commission, percentage discount, goods and services tax, which we call GST, percentage point, and income tax. So these are the main topics on which from the syllabus we are going to work. For this purpose, we have selected exercise 5B from the D3 book. The name of the book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. The book is published by the Oxford University Press in Pakistan. And so let's start today's exercise. And here we go. So here we go. So the exercise 5B from the book D3. The first question coming up on your screen. A necklace priced at $580 is sold for $464. Find the percentage discount. Okay, so the mark price was $580. The sale price is $464. So they have given you a discount. So we can find that discount and say mark price minus the sale price. And then the percentage discount is discount divided by the mark price multiply 100. So let me show you. So on your screen, the solution is showing up. The mark price is $580. The sale price is $464. Percentage discount is question. Discount is mark price minus the sale price. So it will be 580 minus 464. That will be $116. The actual question is find out the percentage discount. The formula is discount divided by the mark price multiply 100. So the discount is 116 divided by 580 multiply 100 and you will get 80%. Sorry, 20%. So 20% is the answer. So this is how you will do the question number 1. Okay. So exercise 5B, question number 2 coming up on your screen. So it's question number 2. He said the mark price of a folding table at a hypermarket is $45. The hypermarket gives a 12% discount during a sale. Find the sale price of the folding table. Okay. So the mark price is $45. There will be a percentage discount is 12%. So we have to find out how much is the sale price. So here we go. So we can have, so you can see here, the mark price is $45, percentage discount is 12%, the sale price is question. The sale price is equals to the mark price minus discount. So sale price is, the mark price is $45 minus the discount is 12% of the 45. So 12 by 100 multiply 45. So you just enter these values in your calculator. You will get the answer $39.6. So the sale price will be $39.6. Sale price is mark price minus the discount. Okay, so we are going to the next question. He says, during a sale, there is a discount of 7% on a television set. If the discount is $49, find the mark price. Okay, so I'm going to use a different technique here. So a very famous technique. We will use the method of ratios and proportions. Percentage discount is 7%. Actual discount is $49. Their question is what is the mark price? Okay. So here I will write mark price and discount. According to the percentage, if the mark price is 100, the discount will be 7. 7% discount means this, that if the mark price is 100, the discount will be 7. So if the actual discount is 49, how much is the mark price? So I have written here X. When the actual discount is 49, how much will be the mark price? So we will write 100 by X equals to 4 by 49. Cross multiply, make X alone. X will be equals to 49 multiply 100 divided by 7. So I can, you do it in the calculator, you will get 700. So this is how this is done. So let me show you this question number 3, A part. I've used the method of proportions, and that's very easy to do. Okay, the next question is they want me to find out the sale price. Okay, now I know they want me to find mark price, discount, sale price. If the mark price is 100, discount is 7, then the sale price is 93. This first row, a mark price, discount, sale price, I'm getting it from the percentage. Because the discount was 7%, that means the mark price is 100, the discount is 7, then the sale price will be 93, 100 minus 7. So the actual mark price is 700. We just calculated in the first part, and discount is $49. So how much is the sale price? So there are two methods. One method is this ratio method. So I'm going to use the ratio proportion of these quantities. So it will be 7 by 49 equals to 93 by x. So x will be equals to 93 multiplied 49 divided by 7, and that will give you $651. The other method can be you know the actual mark price, you know the actual discount. So sale price is mark price minus discounts, 100 minus 49, and that will be $651. So these are two methods. You can adopt anyone which you like. Okay, so the next part is, okay, so we are done with the question number 3. Okay, so the question number 4 is coming up on your screen. He says, a microwave oven costs $270 before GST. Assuming that GST is at a 7%, find the total amount of money Ethan has to pay for the microwave oven. Okay, so we know the mark price and the original cost. We know the original cost here. Okay, so the original cost is $270. The GST is 7%. What is the sale price? Sale price is original cost plus the GST. So the sale price is 270 plus the GST is 7% of the 270. So that is 7 by 100 multiplied 270. Just enter these values in the calculator and you will get the sale price is $288.9. Okay, so very simple, straightforward question. Okay, now we have question number 5 from the exercise 5B from the book D3. An electronic gadget is sold for $1,391 inclusive of the 7% GST. Find the mark price of the gadget. Okay, the mark price or the original price without the tax we have to find out. So the question is mark price is what when the sale price is 1,391, whereas the GST is 7%. So I am going to use the method of proportions. So mark price, GST, sale price. 7% GST means that if the mark price is 100, the GST is 7, and the sale price will be 100 plus the 7, 107. So what is the mark price? I'm suppose it's X when the sale price is 1,391. So I'm going to use this and this proportion, and I can write 100 by X is equals to 107 divided by 1391. So it will be, you just cross multiply. So X will be equals to 100 multiply 1391 divided by 107, and that will give you $1,300. So it means that when the tax is not added or without tax, the cost was $1,300. The mark price or original price. So let's go to the next question. He says, using the table 5.1, calculate the income tax payable given the following chargeable incomes. Okay, so the income is 24, the first part, for example, $25,400. $25,400, and I want to find out the how much is the tax. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so here we go. Because your income is 25,000 something, 25,400. Okay, so your income is 25,400, so it comes in this category. This is table 5.1. So okay, so on the first $20,000 there is no tax. So in the next amount after the 20,000, So on the 20,000, there is no tax. So how much money is left? You are left with because you have $25,400. So on the 20,000, on the first 20,000, there is no tax. So how much is the remaining income? That is 25,400 minus 20,000, that is 5,400. On that 5,400, the tax will be how much? 2%. So let me show you how I have done. This is table 5.1 on your screen. So let me show you how this is done. Okay. So we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 6A part. Okay. So the income is $25,400. The chargeable income is on which you can apply the tax. That is 25,400 minus 20,000. So it's $5,400. So income tax will be 2% of this chargeable income. So 2 by 100 multiply 5,400. So it will be $108. So the income tax will be $108. So you see, we have used table 5.1, which is given in your book. And this is how much income tax will be charged. Okay. In the B part, he says, question number 6, B part, he says that calculate the income tax payable given the following chargeable incomes. It says 38,400, 38,400, 38,400. So, okay. So first of all, I will go to the table 38,400. So on the first 30,000, that the income 38,400 comes in this category. So on the 30,000, the first 30,000, the tax will be $200, and on the remaining money, the tax will be 3.5%. Okay. So you have how much money? You have 38,400. So on the 30,000, there will be $200 tax, and on the next 8,400, the tax will be 3.5%. So let's calculate how much we can do that. The income is $38,400. The gross tax payable at the first $30,000 according to the table 5.1 is $200. So the remaining income is how much? 38,400 minus 30,000, and the remaining income is 8,400. So the income tax on this income, 8,400, will be 3.5% of this amount, and that will be 3.5 divided by 100, multiply 8,400. So you get $294. So the total tax will be $200 plus $294, and the total tax payable will be 200 plus 294. That will be $494. So this is how you will do this question. Let me reduce the size so you can see. I hope you can see now the whole question. Question number 6. The question number 6B part is showing up on your screen, and I hope you understand. Okay. Now in the C part, he says the income is $72,000. $72,000. So first of all, $72,000 comes in this category. Okay, it is in this category. So in 72,000, in first $40,000, the tax will be $550, and the remaining income. So 70, how much income was there? 70. I said $72. Okay. So the remaining income on the first $40,000, you have the tax $550, and so how much is the remaining amount? 72,000 minus 40,000. So the remaining amount is $32,000. So on that $32,000, the tax is 7%. The tax is 7%. So let me do the process, and then we will see how much is the total tax payable. So we are going to the C part. Okay. So they say, okay, income is $72,000. The tax at the first 40,000 is $550 according to the table. The remaining income is 72,000 minus 40,000, so 32,000. So the income tax on the remaining income will be 7%. So it will be 7 by 100 multiply 32,000, and that will be $2,240. And so the total tax is 550 plus 2240. So the total tax payable will be $2,790. So this is how you will do this part. So let me reduce the size and let me show you the whole question together. I hope you will understand this. Okay, so that is the C part, question number 6. Okay, D part. He has $105,000. 105. Okay, so let me show you. So on the, because now your income is more than 100,000, so you come in this category. The income is in this category. So on the first $80,000, the income tax is $3,350, and on the next amount, which we will be, I think, how much will be that? On the next amount, you have 11.5%, the amount remaining after 80,000, and the remaining amount, the tax on that amount will be 11.5%. Okay, so that's table 5.1. I can show you that. Okay, this is table 5.1. This is given with the exercise in your books, and we are here. We are here. Okay, so we are here. So let's see how this is done, and this is. Now the income is $105,000. So tax on the first $80,000 will be $3,350. That is given in that table. So how much is the remaining income? 105,000 minus 80,000. So you are left with the $25,000. On this $25,000, the tax will be at 11.5%. So 11.5 divided by 100, multiply 25,000, and that will give you $2,875. So the total tax will be $3,350 plus $2,875. You just add them, and you will get the total tax, and that will be $6,225. So this is how you do this part, and this is the D part. And we have used the table 5.1, and then we are able to solve it. So that was question number 6. Okay, so now we are going to the next question. That is question number 7. He says a property agent charges a commission of a 2.5% on the selling price of a house. Given that the agent sells the house for $650,000, find the amount of commission he receives. Okay, so the commission is 2.5% of this amount. Very simple, straightforward question. Okay, so question number 7, A part, he says the sale price is $650,000. Percentage commission is 2.5%. So his commission will be 2.5 divided by 100, multiply 650,000, and the answer will be $16,250. So his commission will be $16,250. Okay. In the B part, he says on another occasion, he receives a commission of $12,000. Find the selling price of the house. We know the tax. We know the percentage commission. Okay. The percentage commission is 2.5%. The actual commission is $12,000. What is the sale price? You see the commission is 2.5 divided by 100, multiply the sale price. The actual commission is 12,000. So it equals to 2.5 divided by 100 into sale price. So if you make this sale price alone, it will be 12,000 multiply 100 divided by 2.5. So if you do this, it will be $480,000. $480,000. So the question number 7 is B part is showing up on your screen. I have already checked the answers, compared them with the book. Okay, so we are done with the question number 7. So now we are going to the question number 8. Okay. Question number 8 is showing up on your screen. He says an air conditioner is sold for $700 after a discount of 12.5%. Find the mark price of the air conditioner. Okay, we know the sale price, we know the percentage discount, and we want to find out what is the mark price. Okay, very simple. The sale price is $700. Percentage discount is 12.5%. What is the mark price? So I'm going to use the method of proportions, mark price, discount, sale price. 12.5% discount means if the mark price is 100, the discount is 12.5 and the sale price is 87.5. So their question is what is the mark price if the sale price, actual sale price is $700. Okay, so I'm going to use this and this together. So it will be 100 by x equals to 87.5 divided by 700. Cross multiply, so x will be equals to 700 multiply 100 divided by 87.5. So the x will be equals to $800. So the mark price is $800. Now we are on the question number 9. He says, Farhan orders, sorry, there was a B part also. If a 10% discount is given on the marked price of the air conditioner before it is sold at a further discount of 2.5%, would the sale price still be $700? Show your working clearly. Okay. So what they have done here, first of all, they will give you a discount of 12, then whatever the sale price is, then they will give you a further 2.5% discount. Okay, so the mark price is 800, percentage discount is 10%. So what will be the sale price number 1? That will be 800 minus 10% of 800. So the sale price will be $720. Then they give you a further 2.5% discount on this sale price number 1. So the sale price number 2 will be 720 minus 2.5% of the 720. So that will be $702. And it is not the same of $700. His question was, will it be the same as when you directly give a 12% or 12.5% discount? No, the answer is different. In the first case, the answer was $700, and now it is something $702. So there is a difference. So we have question number 9 here. He says, Farhan orders 1 plate. So Farhan orders 1 plate of seafood fried rice at a restaurant which offers a 20% discount. The mark price of the seafood fried rice is $9.50. Given that there is a service charge of 10% and GST is at a 7%, find the total amount of money he has to pay. Okay, so first of all, the mark price is 9.50. So, and the restaurant will give you 25% discount. So first of all, I will find out that after the discount, what is the price? And then we will add 10% sales service charges in it. And then we will add GST on the as at a rate of 7%. So let me show you how this is done. Okay, so we are talking about a restaurant. So here we have question number 9. So the mark price of that plate of rice was $9.50. The hotel restaurant gave you a 10% discount of 25%. So what will be their sale price? That sale price will be mark price minus the discount. So the mark price is 9.50 minus 25% of the 9.50. So 9.50 minus 25 divided 100 multiplied 9.50 equals to, and that will give you $7.125. So after the discount, this will be the price of that plate of rice. And then we will add service charges. Service charges are 10% of whatever is the cost. So 10% of the 7.125, that will be $0.712. So now the sale price will be the cost of that rice plus that service charge. So it will be 7.125 plus 0.712. So it will be $7.837. Okay. So now we will add GST. The GST is the total cost of that restaurant, and the restaurant which is charging you, and then you tax the GST is 7%. So 7% of that cost. So it will be 7 by 100 of multiply 7.837. So you get 0.5486. So the payment you have to make there after the service charges added, after the GST added, that will be 7.837 plus 0.5486. That will be 8.3856, so which is $8.39. $8.39. Okay, so this is how it works. So you see, whenever you go on a restaurant to eat, the prices they are telling you, they are simply the prices, and so they add up the prices, and then whatever is the cost, then they add 10% service charge in it, and once they have added the service charges, then they calculate the GST. Okay, after adding the service charges, then they calculate the GST, and then they add the GST into that cost. So this is how it works on the restaurants. I hope you know this. Okay, so we are going to the next question. So this is how the question is done. Okay, so we are going to the next question. Okay, the next question coming up on your screen is question number 10. Okay, he says, let me reduce the size a little bit. So, okay, in the particular year, Mr. Go earned a gross annual income of $185,000. Of this $185,000, the amount that will not be subjected to income tax is shown in the following table. So he will get a personal relief of $3,000, child relief $4,000 per child, parent relief is $5,000 per parent, and CPF contributions $18,600. Given that he lives with one child and two parents, and that for the remaining income that will be taxed, the gross tax payable for the first $120,000 is $7,950, and the tax rate for the rest is 15%. Find his income tax payable. Okay. So first of all, I will find out what are the reliefs he has, on which we call it exemption, on which we will not charge the tax. So the total income is $185,000. So the personal relief is given, that is $3,000. Child relief, he has one child, and so one multiply 4,000, that's $4,000. Parent relief, because he has two parents with him, so two multiply 5,000, and that will be $10,000. So the CPF contribution, that will be $18,600. So add up all the reliefs, 3,000 plus 4,000 plus 10,000 plus 18,600, and that total relief is $35,600. So the taxable income will be from his income to gross income, which is $185,000. From that, subtract $35,600. So you will have $149,400, and that income is the income on which you will apply the tax. Okay. So out of this, at the first $120,000, the tax is already given to us. That will be $7,950. So the tax on the remaining income, so that will be 15%. And the remaining income is how much? 149400 minus $120,000. So it will be 15 divided by 100, multiply that remaining income, and the final answer will be $4,410. So the total tax he will pay is this $7,950 and this $4,410. So the total tax paid by him will be $12,360. $12,360. I hope you understand this question. Okay, so this whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video, you can take your time with this question. So this is exercise 5B from the D3 book. Okay, so we are going to the next question. He says, property tax is tax on land, houses, flats, or buildings, which is computed as follows. Property tax payable yearly is equals to the annual value multiplied the tax rate, where the annual value of a property is the estimated amount of money the owner will get if he or she rent out the property for a year. Given that the annual value of a flat is $228,800 and the tax rate is 10% per annum, find the property tax payable for 6 months. Okay, so very simple, straightforward question. Here you go. So the annual value of that property is $28,800. The tax rate is 10%. So, but that is for 1 year. Okay, so they are asking you property tax for 6 months. So it is just half of the money, or you can say it will be 5%. Okay, so that will be 5% of the 228,800. That will be 1440 because we are calculating the tax for the 6 months. The tax rate is for the 1 year. So for the 6 months, it will be 5%. So it will be 5% of the 228,800, and that will be $1,440. So that is how you calculate. So this is how you find the annual value of a property and the property tax. Okay. So the next question is coming up on your screen. That is question number 12. He says, Lixen, a monthly income consists of a basic salary of the $500 and a commission of 4% on her sales for the month. If her income is $1,220 for a particular month, find her sales for that month. Okay, so her income is basically basic salary plus the commission she is getting from her shop as she sells the thing there. Okay, so the commission is 4% of the sale she makes, and let's see. So you know. The basic salary is $500. The percentage commission is 4% on her sale. The total income is $1,220. So what is the sale of the month? Okay, so the total income is equals to basic salary plus the commission. The total income is $1,220 and the basic salary is $500 and plus the 4% of the sales. So it will be 1,220 minus 500 equals to 4 divided by 100 into the sales. So 720 is equals to 4 divided by 100 into sales. So 720 multiply 100 divided by 4. So the sale will be $18,000. So the sale is basically $18,000. So the question number 12, the whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video, take your time with the question number 12. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 13, a little tricky question. Carol wants to buy a sofa set. He is offered 3 successive discounts of 10%, 20%, and 25%. And he can arrange them in any order he wants. Which order will benefit him the most? Explain your answer. Okay, so very tricky question because it does not involve too much numbers. A lot of fractions are involved in it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this is done. Let the cost of the sofa is X dollars. That's the sale price one. He will be given a discount of 10%. So the sale price will be X minus 10% of X, and that will give you 9 by 10 of X. So then this price will be further reduced by 20%. So 9x by 10 minus 20% of 9x by 10. So that will give you 18x by 25. That's sale price number 2. So this is further given a 25% discount. So 18x by 25 minus 25% of the 18x by 25. So that will be 27x by 50. So remember this final value which he has to pay. Now we will change the order of that discount. First, we gave them the 10% discount, then we gave him 20% discount, then we gave him 25% discount. Now I will change the order of this discount. First of all, I'm going to give him discount of 25%, then 20%, then 10%. And let's see what is the final sale price. So the sale price number one will be X minus 25% of X. That will be 75X by 100. The sale price number two, 75% X, 75X by 100. So we'll give him 20% discount minus 20% of the 75X by 100. So it will give you 3X by 5. Now this 3X by 5 sales value, I will give him a discount of 10%. So 3X by 5 minus 10% of the 3X by 5. So that will give you 27X by 50. So you see, you gave him first 10% discount, then 20% discount, then 25% discount. Or you give him 25% discounts, then 20% discount, and then 10% discount. In both the cases, the final sale price is 27x by 50. Okay, now I'm going to rearrange further. So first of all, I'm going to give him 20% discount, then 25% discount, and at the last, I will give him 10% discount. Okay, so the sale price number one, if the price is X, so if you give 20% discount, it will be X minus 25, 20% of the X. That will be 80X by 100. So 80X by 100, that is the sale price. So give him 25% further discount. So it will be 25% minus 25% of the 80X by 100. So its answer will be 3X by 5. So this 3X by 5, you give him further 10% discount. And you get 10% of the 3X by 5. So when you do it on the calculator, you get 27x by 50. So in all these three cases, you can see the final sale price is the same. So you give him you give him discounts in any order. The final sale price is the same. Okay, take any order, final sale price is same. So this is how it is done. So I hope you can see this page on your screen. Okay, now we are going to the next question. He says, Devi orders one bowl of ramen at a Japanese restaurant which offers an 18% discount. There is a service charge of 10% and GST is at 7%. Given that she pays a total of $10.13, find the mark price of the ramen. So first of all, we will suppose that the mark price of the ramen is suppose is X. Okay, so let the cost price, the mark price is X. First of all, the restaurant gave you 18% discount. They give the discount on this X price. So how much is the sale price then? X minus 18% of the X, and that will be 82 by 100 into X. So then you will add 10% service charges to of this sale price. So the service charges will be 10% of the 82 by 100x. So it will be 41x by 500. When you do this on the calculator, it will be 41x by 500. So then we will add these service charges into the price. It will be 82x by 100, which was the price, plus the service charges, that is 41x by 500. So it will be 451x divided by 500. So on this, I will add 7% GST. So 7% of the 451x by 500. So that will be 3,157x divided by 50,000. So that will be the GST. So the sale price number 3 will be the 451x by 500 plus the amount of GST, that is 3157x by 50,000. So when you do it on the calculator, it will be 0.96514x. He says that this final price was 10.13. He says that this final price was $10.13. So X will be 10.13 divided by 0.96514. So that will be something like $10.4959, $10.50, which is $10.50. So this is how you will do this question. Hopefully you understand it's not that easy. A little tricky question. Okay. So the question is showing up on your screen. Okay, so we are going to the next question. This is question number. Okay. He says question number 25. He says, Mr. Neo paid an income tax of $1,474 for a particular year. Of his gross annual income, the amount that he will be subjected to the income tax is shown in the following table. So there is a personal relief of 3,000, wife relief 2,000, child relief $4,000 per child, parent relief $5,000 per parent, and CPF contributions 15,600, and the donations $200. So given that he lives with 4 children and 2 parents, and that for the remaining income that will be taxed, the gross tax payable for the first $40,000 is $550, and the tax rate for the rest is 4%. Find his gross annual income. Okay. So first of all, we will calculate how much is the relief. So I will suppose that, see, so let the gross income is X, which is question, and income tax is $1,474. Personal relief is 3,000, wife relief is 2,000, child relief because there are 4 children. So that is 4 multiplied 4,000, that is $6,000. Parent relief because there are 2 parents with him. So that 2 parents means 2 multiplied 5,000. So it is $10,000, and CPF will be equals to $1,560, $15,600, and donation is $200. So if you add up all these reliefs, it is 46,800. So the taxable income is X. The gross income we suppose was X. It will be X minus $46,800. Now the tax on the first $40,000 he has given us is $550. So the remaining income is X minus 46,800. From it, subtract the 40,000. So you will have X minus 86,800. So the tax on the remaining income is 7%. So the tax on this income will be 7%. That will be 7 by 100 multiply bracket start X minus 86,800 bracket close. And that will be the total tax he paid is $1,474, out of which $550 was for the first $40,000. So the remaining tax is $924. So it will be X by 7 by 100 into X minus 86,800 equals to $924. So X minus 86800 equals to 924 into 100 divided by 7. So X minus 86800 equals to 13200. So take this 86,800 to the other side, it will add. So X will be equals to 13200 plus 86800. So that is equals to 100,000. So the gross income is $100,000. So my dear student, this is how this is done. It's very simple for those students who have a little understanding of the income, the tax, the property tax, the income tax, the commissions. They can understand this thing concept easily, but most of the students, because they have, in Pakistan especially, the students, they do not work. So they have no idea about the sales tax and the tax, income tax and the property tax. But it's easy. Don't you should understand this idea, and then it's easy that the taxes are okay. So we are, my dear students, today we have completed the exercise 5B from the book D3. The book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, published by the Oxford University Press. And I have tried my best to explain you how this GST and how the property tax and how the income tax is calculated. And we have done the questions which were in that exercise. So I hope you have understood this. If you find this exercise interesting and useful, please share the link of this video with your students, with your class fellows, with your junior students, and with your teachers by posting the link of this video onto your Facebook accounts, onto your Twitter accounts, and onto your Twitter accounts and on into your Instagram, because that will help me promote my channel. It's a great blessing for me that I can make these videos and I can help few of the students around the globe. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day. God bless you all.